Should I get in character? Should I get in character
Nah.
for this? Should I unleash my inner echidna? Why are there two tails again?
Just,
Two tails, but you only
just-
flew with one
just
knife.
let there be two tails.
Oh, Eggman. Why?
Alright,
why
hold
is
on.
he not
Okay.
moving? That is.
Alright, I'm
why
recording.
I can't
Alright,
go.
alright. I'm recording. I'm recording.
Eggman.
Alright,
We're
I'm recording.
cooked.
I'm a.
Eggman.
It's a Miku, bro. It's a Miku. I'm aware that we're cooked. It's a Miku.
I can't-
Alright,
I
I'm
can't
recording
move.
right now. So basically, if y'all are unaware.
There's two devs in our game.
Get a load of this. You're so boring.
I
I bet you failing instead.
I
Get a load of this.
Nice.
Get my load. Get my
You hit
load.
me once.
Eat my load. Wait,
Yeah,
no.
but there's two tails in our game, which is interesting.
Yeah, if you can see already, chat. There is two. Get a load of me. Get my load.
There's freaking,
I don't.
they're freaking
Dude, you cannot say that on YouTube.
dude. I swear, this freaking Invis tech is annoying.
Especially we're
Alright.
screwed. We're
Alright,
screwed.
you gotta
Oh,
start recording
no.
this one. Furnace.
Oh God. Oh dear
Oh
Lord.
no, dude. Guys, if we work as a team, nothing
yeah,
bad will
Shut the
happen.
fuck.
Yeah, bro. If we work as a team, we're still gonna die.
Alright,
Let's
I'm
show
watching
them we're
it.
scream in the
Sonic
corner,
heroes.
Well,
Alright.
Tim in the corner, like, what do you want me to do about this?
Well, alright, here we go, Furnace.
Yeah, your first time encountering Fern. Is that a new cosmetic for metal?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my. Is that the
Damn.
dog Halloween?
Oh
Wait,
my
what? Why
God.
did
That was-
wait, how did you just grind down Eggman's health like that? Is that an ability? How is he grinding people's health?
My God, no.
Furnace.
Oh
How do
God,
you
no.
find
Oh,
them?
God, no.
Draining.
No,
Alright,
Furnace. Wait, I'm not prey. I'm not prey. I
I
swear.
gotta,
I'm not prey. I'm not prey. I swear.
You gotta keep
God.
in mind, there's probably like zero, cooldowns on any of these abilities. He's so fast.
Cream. We gotta get out of here, Cream. We gotta get the hell out of here.
we gotta go.
Oh, I wonder who's that behind me.
Oh my God, it's Furnace.
It's the old
Am I
model
so
too.
Okay.
I
I'm
can
so-
tell.
No, I don't need healing. I don't need healing.
I mean,
We
yeah,
got
you
this.
can tell if it's the old model or not because they look so different.
Oh dear God, it's mother freaking Furnace.
That's fine.
I mean, he hasn't
Hey,
killed anyone yet,
Furnace.
so.
Oh no, hey, I'm kidding. Oh my
Oh my God, Tails is getting his health drained.
Oh dang. I'm staying farther away from that thing.
Oh,
I don't
it
care
must
if
be a
it's for-
fire. It must be the fire effect.
Funny enough, I watched the video.
Oh
on
my
TikTok.
gosh, dude, they're getting fucking dogged.
Oh my God, both Eggman and Cream. Don't worry, guys. I'm coming.
I hear him.
Oh dear God.
Eggman
He's
again?
waiting.
That's sad.
I'm waiting in line.
Bonk. I just bonked Furnace
I'll
in
show
the
you that.
I bonked Furnace in the
Oh shit.
Did you show
Oh,
him?
maybe this one. Maybe it's
no,
got
it's
the
Furnace.
voice lines too.
Oh no, Furnace, I'm not prey. I am not prey. I am not prey. I swear to God, I am not
You
prey.
say you're not prey, meanwhile you're literally playing as Sonic.
I'm still not prey, gang. I am not prey.
Like the irony in that, you say you're not prey, yet
Shut
you're
up!
literally playing as Sonic.
Oh, dang.
Oh my God. Okay.
And I've also noticed he doesn't take that much health away from metal.
Well, yeah,
Thank
because
you.
of those
Gotta go the
game
other way.
introduction.
Thank you, Tails. I love you, Tails. Thank you, bro. Oh my
I mean, even
God.
then.
Yeah,
Eggman, your master plan is not
Reminder,
gonna work,
I am
gang.
also recording, so do not say anything that
Oh,
will
yeah.
get me taken down.
It says
also-
10 N-words.
No.
Oh, Bet, you want me to say it right
No.
now?
Yes,
No,
do
no,
it.
it's not.
Yes.
No, it's
No,
not.
but-
We're
Oh.
not.
Oh, we missed
Ninja,
it.
NASCAR, Nintendo, Nincompoop.
I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here, gang.
Oh, you can
Wait.
What?
Wait, bro.
I
What
can't grab
was
Furnace!
that?
I can't grab him! No,
If
Wait,
I'm
did he block? Because he had like a little effect over him before you charged into him.
Yeah, hold on. If
he
I'm
can fly!
left
He's
for
flying!
Oh, he's
What?
flying.
Oh,
if I'm left for last
I've never
man
seen
standing,
wait,
if I'm left for last man standing, bro, I'm
Oh.
cooked.
Well, what's he doing?
What is your charge?
Oh my god!
Tails, we are
He
so
curb stomping you into the
We are so
ground!
stuck.
He's
Oh.
mine!
Where-
Uh-oh.
Where is he?
Go.
What the
Where
Alright,
is
thanks for distracting him for me. You're a real one.
Bro, you just got curb stomped into the
I'll
ground.
return the favor someday.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Can't
god!
guarantee it though.
Yeah, I'm out. Nope, nope,
Oh,
nope,
no,
nope, nope,
Frank,
nope,
he
nope.
coming for me!
Oh my god, he's coming!
He
He's
wants me.
flying!
Bro, this is like a once in a lifetime.
Oh no, he's gonna use that ability again! Oh no, you're currently curb stomped!
Alright, he can't be
No.
res. Uh-oh. Amy, we gotta go.
I'm running out of here, gang. I am not stunning that thing,
Bro,
gang. I
look
am
at this oh my god!
Tails.
Bro, did you see that? He literally grabbed Tails and burned him!
What? He canceled my drop dash! 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 No!
wants you,
What the
Sonic.
hell?
Alright,
No.
well, I'm out of here.
He canceled
Oh
my
no,
drop dash.
Knuckles!
He
Oh,
canceled it, gang! He canceled it!
uh-oh.
Oh no, he's waiting!
Oh no.
Knuckles!
He must have some block ability.
That's bullshit.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Hopefully I don't die in the process.
It'd be wise to stay down.
Got
Eat voice lines.
Oh, he's actually got the voice line too?
Yeah, he does.
I ain't hearing him.
Bro, it's actually so I thought I heard that like that.
Oh no!
As scary as he is, it is so funny watching him just curb stomp people into the ground like that.
Oh no, he going for Sonic first. He want the prey.
Someone in chat saying we're cooked, literally.
I swear to God, he canceled my drop dash. I swear to God, he canceled it. I swear. No, I'm not prey.
He's
I'm
coming
not.
for you, Sonic.
Sonic, he
No,
wants
hablas
you.
español. No, hablas
Just distract
español.
him for a whole minute. I can escape.
No hablas español. No hablas español.
Knuckles is over there not wanting to help. He's just waiting.
What can I do?
Sorry.
That's
I'm
fair.
sorry.
That's fair.
Furnace, I need some dinner. I need some dessert. I need some
Alright,
dessert.
I'm gonna have to help.
Well, look at Tails. He's just He's just hiding. Oh no.
Drop down! Up.
Whoa!
Okay, hold on. I'm coming.
Ow. Drop down, bro.
Please. Oh, Tails.
I cut
Tails,
it.
please. Little buddy, thank you.
This is what I get for trying to help.
Oh
Lovely.
no, Sonic, he wants you. Sonic.
Hey, 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 hey. Back off the merchandise, man.
Oh no.
Merchandise. Sonic isn't a fucking item to be bought.
I got a cape on here, okay?
No, I think he's talking about the shoes. Hands off my shoes, dude.
Oh, dear God. We.
Sonic,
I'll
run.
be so
Sonic,
proud.
No. Wait. Furnace. I apologize for the inconvenience. I apologize for the inconvenience.
How come the EXPs have to be so overpowered, but the survivors, barely get to do stuff?
I mean, he's overpowered as of right now because he's most likely not very balanced.
Boo! They should allow Neo Metal here for us.
Just for one round, let someone become Neo Metal. Or heck, even make the entire server Neo Metal.
Oh, look at him. Just look at his.
See, he can fly. He's like, oh, you think you can get away?
I mean, he's the same as Fleetway. Fleetway can also fly.
Yeah, but Freeway isn't.
Oh, he's purposely getting stunned.
He's toying with them now.
toying with
that's
Tails,
why,
bro.
'cause it's at
Oh,
19
he's coming. He's coming. It's over. Oh my god.
Okay, how did he know he was gonna fly?
Tails, get out of there, gang. You are not
What is that red ball? Is that like a hitbox?
Oh my god, Tails. Am I
Bro,
recording?
Tails has to have like reduced cooldowns. There's no way he's getting this stuff so fast.
Yeah, Tails does have reduced cooldown on last man standing. He does.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, cool. Oh my
Feels
god.
bad.
Oh, Sonic. He got him. I'm still
Burners.
waiting for someone to leave. I'm hoping someone will leave before the other admin's turn.
The other admin is like EXE. Does that mean he'll be Fleetway or Colossus?
He also could be Little Jort. You never know.
Wow, what a perfect stance right there.
He's overperforming.
The windscreen.
Just died.
I resumed
Shadow.
my recording.
Alright,
I resumed my recording.
alright. We got 2 tails, we got the shadow.
Shadow! Shadow, come here! I found you, faker! I found you, faker!
Excalibur, you might be cooked.
I know.
Go up!
He has a gun! He has a fucking gun!
Shadow has,
Oh, shoot.
Shadow has that gun. He has a flicky.
He has a blicky with the sticky! Go up!
Ow!
Shadow! Shadow! Oh god, no!
What?
I got you, Shadow.
Hold on, can I
Ah,
pick up... Can I pick up Shadow? Can I pick up... Hold on, Shadow, I need to see. Can I pick you up? Can I pick Shadow up? I need to know.
oh,
I can't.
fuck. That's my fault.
I can. Okay, Shadow. I need to ask. Can I pick you up? Is that like? Can I pick you up, or is it, or are you, or is that like Metal Sonic and Eggman?
Shadow just wants violence.
Dang!
Man, thanks for stunlocking me, you guys.
Yeah, bro, you're welcome.
I'm still gonna kill him.
Brother. Hey man, leave Shadow alone, brother.
That's metal. He's killing metal.
Oh.
I'm
Not the
sorry, dude,
Quaker.
but he's not playing.
I can't pick up Shadow. Yeah, I can't pick him up. Yeah, Shadow's like you can't pick up Shadow with Sonic. That sucks. Uh-oh, Tails. Don't worry, Tails, I'm
Tails,
coming.
where is he? There he is.
Stop it. Damn it. Alright. Look at Shadow in all his glory. He's so peak.
I'm watching for
Really,
that name
get up
tag.
there.
I'm gonna follow Shadow. Go up!
Bro, you see, bro?
Bro wants the Tails.
No! I tried to counter
Shadow!
Shadow! Get off of him! Let him go!
Leave that. Leave that. Leave that.
I'm outta here.
monster life. Shoot, I'm like Romeo, but I suck more.
Whoa. Okay, Shadow.
Dang!
Alright, Shadow. Try this again.
Shadow's following me.
Okay, I can't pick up Shadow. I can.
Hey, Shadow.
Okay, so I can pick up Shadow.
Yeah.
I was about to say I thought I couldn't. Since I
Oh.
found you. Alright! Let me get my Sonic game on. Oh,
I just heard Shadow
Hello,
say
Knuckles.
chaos control. Where is he? Oh, there he is.
killed.
Shadow.
Dang, bro.
Dash. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Shadow's just
Okay,
gonna.
Oh. Alright, Shadow. Oh.
Shadow just dashed his way out of here. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, dang.
He was chaos control.
Alright, Sonic. Sonic, get me out of here.
We're out of here. We're out of here, gang. We are out. Oh, hey, Shadow.
Oh!
Hey! Why you want the blue blur?
I want that black guy. Don't get in the way.
Shadow?
Ugh. What? I grabbed him and he just chaos controls?
Yeah, he can wiggle his way out. I think he can wiggle his way out of the grab. He can just wiggle his way out.
Ow.
You recording this, right, Modern?
Yeah, I am.
I got you. Hey, man. Hey, man, I'm not
Oh.
black. See me black? I'm not black.
Why? I want to fly.
Go up. How do I get up? Also, don't quote me on saying black and all that. Don't quote me. Don't quote me on that. Uh-oh. Okay, Shadow?
Oh, come on. Okay, I'm killing Shadow, dude. I'm gonna be the first one to kill Shadow.
Shadow. Shadow, you gotta get out of here, Shadow. He wants you, Shadow. Oh, I'm not Shadow, gang. I'm
Dude,
sorry.
he used Chaos Control. I'm slow.
It's like in Sonic Adventure 2, man.
But you're not him.
Hey, I am not Shadow for the last time.
It's dark as fuck.
Dang.
I'm running on life support right now. Knuckles. We can't let him
Oh
kill
my-
Shadow. Well, never mind.
Ow!
We can. 'Cause
Oh,
I'm on
frick, my
I'm
counter
on-
didn't
I'm-
last that long.
I'm on 10 HP, bro. I cannot, bro. I'm on 10 HP.
Can I please kill Amy mugging? Thanks.
No, you can't kill Amy.
Oh, that's not who I wanted.
Sonic's dead.
Sonic,
my
I am sorry.
God.
Sonic, I am very sorry.
Oh, hi Shadow.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hi Shadow.
Where's everyone?
Look at him.
Guys, can you please reveal yourselves, will you please?
Look at Shadow.
Shadow's up
No,
and
I-
away.
He has so much aura. Look at him. Am I still?
Hi.
Yeah, I am.
Hi.
Shadow
Oh,
just upped up and away.
Yeah. Up and away. Someone should pick
Wait, you're
Tails
not who I
again.
want.
Someone should pick Tails again so they can use
Can you tell
silver.
me where Shadow is?
I don't wanna.
I'm
Ah, thanks.
Chaos-
Shadow appeared for me.
Chaos Control.
Uh-oh.
Dang. He's T-posing, bro.
I got a red Shadow. Oh, frick.
I'm pretty sure he has ammo for his
Res him.
gun.
Shadow, no.
Shadow, no. Dang.
He's gonna die, bro.
You disappoint me. Dang!
Oh my god, dude, that's fucking stick drift.
Dang. Shadow
Oh no.
is in his ultimate glory. Shadow Hedgehog! Come on, Shadow, don't die. Oh. Up and away.
Up and
I love how
away.
he can I love how he can just do that.
Oh my god, fucking stick drift.
God dang.
Get your hammer. Get your fucking hammer.
I'm over respecting Shadow.
Nice.
This is free content.
I know, tell me about it.
Where are you
Crazy.
gonna use for your where are you gonna use for your thumbnail, Modern?
I would put like playing without playing with the voice of Star and Furnace. Real.
I'm a
Oh.
No.
Where is he? He can't escape.
I'm gonna do like. I want to do something like clickbait. I want to clickbait. I want to clickbait and say Blaze and Silver here. I want to clickbait. Shadow is.
No!
Shadow, you're on 18 HP.
No!
You disappoint me. Come on, Amy, get in.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you
Come
go.
on, dude. Stick drift.
All right, somebody still tells from them again. I'm kidding.
Oh my god, that round was entirely bullshit. I could have
Shadow
killed
on the
Shadow.
button.
Who agrees? Nah, I could have killed him if it wasn't for my dick drift.
Yeah. Wait, we might be getting
Alright,
silver,
Here
maybe?
we go.
Silver or another round of shadow.
Another furnace round.
Alright. Prepare yourselves.
Alright.
And it's Sans.
Sans
Alright.
Undertale.
Alright.
No, oh god.
You're getting a furnace and sands round. Oh.
Dang. Also, metal. You're muted, by the way. I don't think you know that.
Dude just came and swooped
I didn't
metal, dude.
realize that was me. Bro, I just got swept away.
No!
Uh-oh. Oh no, I missed that. I
Don't
missed.
let him aura farm.
Yeah.
Run, Sam, run.
Yeah.
Oh
but
my
did you
god,
see
that was
Shadow
so
last round?
Bro, that was so scary. He just came in and swept me away.
Yeah. Yeah, but did you
Ow.
see Shadow last round, Metal?
Yeah, I saw Shadow.
Come on! This fucking bitch. He's. Oh my god, he throws me around.
Ow! Thank you, Sans.
I just see him flying.
Amy, you better give me a fucking good card.
You scared me, Tails. Oh my god.
How did I scare
Oh,
Oh,
you?
hey,
God.
Sans.
You better
Sans
gamble right
Undertale.
fucking now. I'm gonna put you in a
Undertale.
goddamn chokehold to fucking help me.
No, Sans Undertale.
Oh, you cannot
I must
touch
know.
me.
I must know. What did you do tutorial last night? What did you do tutorial?
I'm too good. Ow, ow, ow.
Nah! You can speak English, I know. What did you do
Listen,
tutorial
you
last
can't,
night?
you can stun him as
Get back here!
metal. You
Get back
can
here.
stun him.
Get back here, Sans Undertale.
So he must
Get
have a.
back here.
He must actually have a block ability
Get
then.
back here, Sans Undertale. I need my answers. Get back here. I need... Did you crack tutorial last night or not?
Dude.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
The suspense, dude.
Oh no.
No, he's trying to.
Oh no.
You gotta show him who's better, dude. You gotta show him who's better.
Yeah, bro, show him who's the better Eggman creation.
Mind their
Take that, nigga.
Hey, I'm recording. Hey.
I stopped it. I didn't say the whole thing, dude.
We're gonna go.
Oh no, Eggman.
We're gonna go.
Up.
No!
Oh my. Oh
No!
my.
Metal solo him. Metal solo up. I don't think he could solo.
I think
Bro,
Furnace
he literally
soloed him
just. Oh
instead.
my god. No, literally what he did was he literally just used that ability and then kept repeatedly pushing me into the void.
Oh.
Alright. I'm gonna try my arm cannon again, but I doubt it'll work. I can find
I've also noticed that you can actually see his hitbox too.
Oh, I think I see you.
Sans.
It's hard not to see him.
Oh no! He's fighting Sans Undertale. Furnace versus Sans Undertale is a crazy battle.
Bro,
Yo,
I
the
want to
Furnace-
play the game. I don't want to sit here and spectate.
Yo, the chase team goes fire though. The chase team is fire.
I gotta go.
Alright, Sans. Alright, Sans. We gotta show them what we're made of!
How's that going?
I am not stunning that thing, bro.
Never mind, gang. I am not stunning that thing. Never mind.
I am not stunning
My
that thing.
apologies.
I do not want
my
to be
apologies.
box.
My apologies, gangling.
I do hope they bring out the old model as a variant though.
They will.
Oop.
At least.
Well, have fun, you guys.
Uh-oh. Thank you, Sans. Thank you,
I do not
Sans.
want to stun that thing, bro.
Thank you, Sans. I appreciate you. Sans is so good.
Oh.
Sans is so good at twin. Oh, hey!
Oh, Knuckles, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he still has you. He still got you.
I can't stun that thing. I can't stun it. I can't stun it. I can't stun it. I can't stun
Knuckles.
it.
He's about to tunnel out Knuckles.
Oh my gosh, dude. All he knows is go after specific people because he knows he's fucking terrible.
He's horrendous.
This guy is. Holy.
This guy's
Furnace
he's
is-
brutal.
Furnace
Oh,
is
hey,
so
Furnace.
good. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here.
It's brutal, bro.
probably not
He is
go that way.
brutal.
Probably not go that way. I know for that matter.
Why? What's that way? Oh, now I know what's that way. Hey,
Yeah, I think you
Hey,
know
Furnace.
now.
hey, Fernice. Hi. Bye bye. You are not kidding. You
Once
are not
again.
kidding me, gang. Oh no.
Oh no, Eggman. I'll be burning
I
Eggman.
stunned him. I stunned Furnace. Thank you,
I
Sans
stunned him. I stunned him
Undertale.
like once or twice. Oh no. If I get left for last man standing, bro. Oh hey! No, not me. Not me.
Bro, he's tunneling out Eggman.
You good, Tails? You good, man? I don't think he's good. Yo, Furnace! Oh!
He's tunneling out Eggman.
Never
Bro,
mind.
he wants Eggman tunneled out.
Bro, if I get...
Oh, there goes Eggman. He's dead.
If I get left for LMS, I'm cooked. I'm scrambled. Fried. Baked.
I think he is saving you for last man standing.
Yeah, because he's going after
200%.
Sans now.
Man, I wanted to play the game, but nah, bro had to literally execute me via void.
He hated Metal Sonic. He hated you, bro.
Like, I didn't even get a chance to play.
Where's Sans? Where's Sans?
Oh my god.
By Amy.
Me.
Yowdy, bro. Oh, Amy's dead. Amy, what are you doing?
Leave her alone. I can't stun him!
Sonic. He
Don't
wants
worry,
the
Amy, I'm coming.
hedgehog. He wants the hedgehog.
I got you! Oh! No, wait! Oh!
He wants the
Owie!
Oh, the ring.
Somebody help!
Oh,
Somebody
man.
Sans! Maybe Sans!
Oh my-
Please! Amy, please! Somebody
Amy's
help!
getting-
Thank you, Sans!
Amy just got
I'm running!
dragged across that ground.
I survived that somehow! I survived Furnace! I survived Furnace!
I don't think Amy. Oh no, Sans is trying to help Amy survive.
Fucking up the game!
Amy, where you going?
Oh,
Amy, no!
Amy!
No!
Wait, what?
Man!
Man, this stinks.
Come on, Sans! Come on, Sans!
Sans, what are you doing?
Sans.
Sans, you're gonna die! Sans, I'm your biggest fan.
Sans, no.
He weaved it, bro! He keeps on weaving! I
Bro, really
survived!
had to hit that. Those.
I survived you, Furnace! Screw you! Send you to Jesus! Good.